This should get the attention of the governments in control right now. And another quick warning. Sorry, sometimes you gotta share the good news with the bad news. But buy now, pay later is always a danger. This has been a new trend where you can buy anything pretty much and say, you know what? You want to buy this $100 item that you can't afford or you don't need? You can pay in 4 simple installments over the next 12 months. This has become a huge business. It's like a new version of a credit card. And people are buying stuff that they do not need. And I can't remember, there's some theory that if you're not sure you need something, don't buy it on a whim. Sit and think about it for a week before you pull the trigger. Because 90% chance at the end of that week you'll find out you probably don't need it. Now, if you got to commute 60 miles to work every day and you're tired of paying for gas, yeah, this may make sense. But if you need that extra 7th sweater or $300 pair of running shoes or something, no. Think about it.